Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix permission denied error when installing Typescript in Ubuntu. When I type npm i-g Typescript and press enter, you can see that I am getting an error permission denied. This is because we are not having administrator privilege. To fix this error, we have to get administrator privilege or sudo privilege in Ubuntu. So in order to install Typescript, we need to get administrative privilege. First of all, let me clear my terminal by typing clear. You don't have to do that. Now we have to add sudo command to our installation command. Type sudo npm i-g Typescript and press enter. Now the command line will ask you for your password. Enter your password. Your password won't be displayed while you type. Just press enter. Now the installation is complete. To check whether Typescript is successfully installed, type tsc-v and press enter. Now it will show you the version of Typescript that is installed. So if this method worked for you, like this video and comment down that it worked for you. And if you face any issues, comment down that I will try to help you. And subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.